time it went by sleeping, it's a river rolling by. It's a song that never ends. It's already half a life ago. You were at the wheel, the car was sailing with its load. Watch the city turn its back into a forest blue. Fingers straight and sweeping to the sky. We picked up three who'd walked the mountain, marking out their way. We sat and stood in groups around the field. And as the darkness gathered in, depending from the stars, the earth began to cry. Talk to me, you know you are my friend. And all the rest are drifting off alone. There's a frost, but we can make a fire. This blackness streamed with gold. Everything ahead is blindness. The further out you look, the more you wish. But careful now, that could be satin bloody at the mouth. We children of this age, his favorite dish. We talked about the people now impervious and sold. We talked about our will against the dark. See us now, we're glowing minuscule against the world, forgotten and forgetting. And in the morning you wake with another, and my eyes will have barely even closed. Driving back, we'll split our love into its silent house, the silent